My name is Nick Brown. I'm the Aviation Electronics instructor at KCTC. This is the only Aviation Electronics high school program in the country. Students come here, they get certified with multiple certifications. They learn how to wire up an airplane, they learn all the instruments inside the airplane, and then they go off and they get a job directly out of high school and do some really cool stuff.
We're currently working on an airplane checking all the electronical and pedostatic systems, which is the air intake, to make sure that they work so we can actually get to fly at the end of the year, which would be really cool if we could get that.
The main certification they get in this program is the NCAT AET, which stands for Aircraft Electronics Technician. It is a national certification that a lot of employers are looking for. This is the only high school program that students get that certification, so the students that come here are the youngest certified technicians in the country. And after the AET, there's other certifications: radio communications, how the radios inside the airplane work, dependent navigation, how airplanes navigate with VOR and different type of GPS flight paths and things like that. Onboard communication, so the bigger the Boeing aircraft, how the public address system works, just all the avionics inside the airplane, you get certified in that, and that's what employers are looking for right now. We are articulated with GRCC right now. That's for 11 credit hours, so a big chunk of the electronics program. A lot of students come here if they want to learn more about electronics or want to become an electrical engineer. They can go take that articulation and they can go bring that to GRCC. They can work towards their electrical engineering program or their electrical engineering degree. We have two programs here at KCTC. We have the Aviation Electronics program, where we focus more on the wiring, the navigation, the radios inside the airplane. You learn how to wire up a new avionics package and how they work. But we also work very closely with the maintenance program, and maybe we have to build a new circuit breaker panel, so we need to do some sheet metal, or maybe we need to weigh the aircraft after we put in all the avionics program or all the avionics equipment. So we'll work closely with the maintenance program on doing a weight and balance check. So coming into this program, you will learn both sides. On the aviation electronics side, you will learn more on the wiring and the stuff inside the airplane, but you will learn a little bit of the maintenance side as well.
The people here are amazing, the teachers especially, and it's a really challenging environment where you can work hard and there's no limit to what you can do.